Imagine that. Yep. Well, that's the servos.
Yeah, I was gonna say what I saw looked like servos.
Yeah, that is. That's not me. There's not enough airflow over the surfaces to dampen it out.
Okay, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Man, look at you!
Oh.
Man, look at you! I love that. That's been right. Nice. You.
Do knife edge loops all day long.
Now you're showing off.
There's no coupling.
Why did you choose that R8?
I just wanted to try it because it gave me such good results in their airplanes. And when I went to buy this, when I was reviewing, you know, part of the literature said that there was an Aura 8 config file. So why wouldn't I use that?
All right, that's the way to end it.
That was a fun flight.